Florida Road Tripping. On my channel, I'll be sharing places I travel and visit in Florida and beyond. Hello everyone. Today I'll be taking you through the beautiful city of Clermont, Florida. Clermont is a small city located in Lake County, Florida, and it's about 22 miles west of Orlando.
If we stay, we're complacent.
Clermont has an international reputation of being the training ground for triathletes, runners, and cyclists. This is why it's known as the choice of champions.
I don't wanna fight with you like this. We gon' pay the price if we play.
First, I will be taking you on a drive-through tour through the city, and then I'll show you a few places I stopped by along the way. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me. If we blind it, oh, so baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me. Baby, don't you wait on me.
One of the places I visited is the Lilies on the Lake. It's located at 846 West Osceola Street in Clermont. This is a Caribbean beachfront restaurant in Clermont's historic district. There is great food, drinks, and oftentimes live bands. I enjoyed a delicious piña colada. Another place I visited is Lake Mineola. Some of the things you can do at this lake is relax, go fishing, or just enjoy some good times with family and friends. Next, I visited the President's Hall of Fame. It is located at 123 Highway 27 North in Clermont. This museum is dedicated to the U.S. presidents and their families. It also has a replica of the White House. As I was leaving the President's Hall of Fame, I noticed the Florida Citrus Tower. This tower is 226 feet tall. It was built in 1956 to allow visitors to observe miles of their orange groves. Okay, everyone, we are at the end of the video. I do hope that you did enjoy. Please stay tuned to my channel to see where I'll go next. Until next time, bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.